Hi everyone. Look at this question. First of all, read the question carefully. An object of size 5 centimeter is placed at a distance of 20 centimeter from the optical center of a concave lens of focal length 18. Image distance and magnification they are asking in this case. So it's a simple question. Simply draw. This is the concave lens. Okay, like this. Equi-concave lens. Okay. Focus f to f. Optical center f to f. Clear? Now see, object of height 5 centimeter is placed before that. This is 18, twice of 18, that is center of curvature 36. Object is placed at a distance of 20 centimeter, means object is here and its height is 5 centimeter. Clear? Understood? Now draw the incident ray. First of all, step 1. Draw the incident ray towards the lens. At the optical center, draw the x or y axis like this. Apply the formula 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon v minus 1 upon u. Since this is concave lens, focal length will be negative. V, u will be minus 20. Just find the value of v. Minus 1 by 20, minus 1 by 18. So v will be 20 into 18, minus 18 minus 20. So let it be how much? 38. Clear? Now just solve this. What is the answer? Okay. 180 by 19 centimeter. Let it be. Okay. V negative means it is formed in front of a concave lens. They are asking like magnification. In this case, the magnification is formula is V by U. Now solve. V is minus 180 by 90. U is minus 20. Do like this. So you will see that magnification is 18 by 38. That is 0.47. So this magnification comes out to be less than 1. Less than 1, it is positive. It means that nature of image will be virtual, erect, and diminished. Okay. I got it. Thank you. I think next question कर लोगे ना आप. Compare the value of magnification obtained by a concave lens and convex lens when both the lenses form virtual image. तो लोग ये भी कर देते हैं. ठीक है बेटा, दोनों वर्चुअल इमेज बना रहे हैं. तो मैग्निफिकेशन देखो, इन केस ऑफ कॉनकेव लेंस ऑलवेज इमेज इज वर्चुअल. तो इसका मैग्निफिकेशन हमेशा क्या आएगा? लेस देन 1. क्लियर? इट्स मैग्निफिकेशन इज ऑलवेज लेस देन 1 एंड इट इज पॉजिटिव. वर्चुअल है तो पॉजिटिव ही होगा. क्लियर? इरेक्ट बनेगा इमेज. इन केस ऑफ कॉन्वेक्स लेंस तो कॉन्वेक्स लेंस में एक स्पेशल केस होता है बेटा, जहां ऑब्जेक्ट ऑप्टिकल सेंटर और फोकस के बीच में रखा होगा. इन दिस केस ओनली convex lens form a virtual and erect image. Clear? Understood? समझा गया? But in this case, in case of convex lens, magnification value is not less than 1, it is more than 1. But it is positive. So here nature of image will be, here always, in case of concave lens, in case of concave lens, always image will be virtual, erect, and diminished. Okay. But magnification is much less than 1 in case of concave lens when object is at infinity. In this case, virtual, erect, and highly diminished. Convex lens, one special case when object is placed between optical center and focus, image will be virtual. And magnified, virtual, nature will be virtual, erect, and magnified. Okay. If you ask me, sir, draw, I can draw also. Case of convex lens, I can draw. X. Pass through, focus. Okay. If you take it back, image is formed. X. A dash, B dash. If you ask me, sir, how to draw case of concave lens, yes, easy. Always draw a ray diagram with pencil. Okay. Optical center, focus, F to F, F to F. Okay. Anywhere if you kept any object, if you kept object here, its image always formed in between optical center and focus. Like this. Okay. Clear? This is the image. Okay. AB object A dash B dash image. The object. Okay. We can say this is height of images more than height of object. Here height of image is less than height of object. Let's say it is diminished. Here it is magnified. So thank you so much. Thanks a lot everyone.